house apartment with 1 bedroom in Imus City, Cavite. Welcome po! And finally, nabisita natin itong apartment type with 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom. May sariling metro ng kuryente at tubig. Residential ang location na walking distance lang sa highway. Yes po, sobrang lapit lang po nito sa highway. Good and peaceful community. Medyo tahimik po dito sa place. And flood-free location. Maganda po ang bahay sa personal. Malinis, presentable, at the best din ang location. Ito naman yung kanyang bathroom with 1 bedroom na may built-in cabinets, fully tiles ang flooring, bagong pintura, yung kusina may built-in cabinets, at merong laundry area. And this is the Happy Family Locator Agent. At bago matapos itong video na ito, maraming salamat sa mga sumusuporta, sa mga naniniwala at nagtitiwala sa amin. Ulit, maraming salamat po. And yes po, malapit na po matapos itong video. Hello everyone! House apartment with 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom. Apartment type sa Imus City, Cavite ang location. Okay? Maraming salamat po. Paalam.